What were you saying about Michigan, Vaughn? What happened? Twice in a row? What'd they do twice in a row? What'd they do twice in a row?
Go blue.
How much time's left in the game? 1.1 seconds.
That's what I did.
Oh, watch. See if you're going to cry or be happy. Say, yuck, miss. Woo!
Overtime.
Like this, Dad.
Like this.
Why?
That's how much time.